So in this video today, I have quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs from my stash. So come on with me, guys. Now I placed the color of the paints that I wanted to use, and I have these pieces that we are going to create something with. Now I always start out, if I need to, by painting all my pieces, so that's what I'm going to do here. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And I'm going to be linking those below in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and start gluing these pieces together, and I also found a faux leather grateful sign that came from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, I thought that this would be great for a coffee station or any area of your home, just to remind us how grateful we should be, guys. Now I also found two of these pumpkin wood cutouts. They're ornaments, and so I figured we go ahead and use that. We have to use our imagination when we're grabbing from our stash, guys. So this was literally zero cost. Now I decided to go ahead and place on that wood slice a pumpkin on each side. So let's see what we're going to use this for. Now, I did have these extra flowers just laying around, and you know how much I love the white. So I thought it would be nice to go ahead and place those florals right there inside that pumpkin holder, whatever, that pumpkin pot we just made. And look how beautiful this came out. I am loving it, and this can be little accent pieces for any area of your home. Now here we are at the reveal, and I am loving it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.